Day 3 of me solo traveling in China for my brand Clear Monroe.
So as you all know, today is day 3. I have 2 factory visits. I have to go by another fabric shop. And today we are getting out and at it because the day just goes like very fast. Let's just get into the fit. I got this tee from H&M, which is just a Paris tee. Bag, as you all know already, Zara. Jeans, 100% sure, I think Revolve. And then sneakers, Huaraches again, the all yellow one. This is Diane, this is May. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Oh, wow.
Yeah, so lovely.
This is beautiful.
This is flexible for summer. I have to say how to make that strip.
Okay.
There are different colors and different amounts.
And it can weave it together.
Yeah.
That's really cool. It keeps printing it out as it goes. And look at that. So cool. And they were saying like you could put something in the machine today and have like 50 done. Like today. That's so cool. I love this. So cool. This is like material to do like a mesh jersey. It feels so soft. Again, I'm astonished at all the stuff that can get done in a day. America could never. We have different yarn.
All the knitting sweater was made by yarn.
This is so nice. This is good quality.
Yeah.
Very good quality. This yarn is really nice.
Yes, this is the material.
And this is to make the sweater.
Yes.
And it
so knitting sweater was made by yarn, not fabric.
Right.
Yeah.
No, that's perfect.
Yeah.
And that way it can be fully customizable.
Yeah.
This even is
customers busy for the customer.
wow.
Different
Oh.
texture. Oh yeah, table. Like this one, table for women's style.
Yeah, this is very nice for like a cardigan. I like this style.
Yeah.
Can we take this to the room so I can
You want to take a one piece cutting?
yeah, like a sample of this.
No problem.
Unless you have one. Not from there, but if you have something
I
similar.
like this. This style is pointed.
Yeah, this is nice. A tower of yarns is already crazy.
Different yarn material.
Yeah.
Yarn tower.
Yarn tower.
Yeah.
I love this. This is a concept. So I'm in the men's section, but also just like all of it can be unisex as far as like what you want and cable wise. This. Oh, very pretty. Yeah, very pretty. I love that. Yeah, and colorful. This is acid washed. And look at the detail on this. The quality is absolutely phenomenal. You can print on the hat too.
Oh yeah.
Can we take a picture of this for an example?
Sure. Everything. Yeah. They are very kind.
Wow, so lovely. Oh, pink color is very suitable for you.
Yeah, I like this color a
Wow,
lot.
Sky, you look so cute.
Thank you.
Doing make this piece together with the sleeve.
It's like sewing it.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Oh my gosh. And so right now what's happening is they're sewing this together.
we get your design, and then we will have to calculate the tin yang, the weight,
Yeah.
the placement. Yeah.
So nice.
Professional.
So
Like the grading and the
when the
placement.
assembly
Yeah.
time need to 7 days, we have to check the stitching,
Yeah.
testing swatch first.
Yeah, to make sure it's right.
Yes.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yes.
This is, and then so this is the grid.
He is making the patterns.
On that's going to go on it. So he finds the placement and then he puts the patterns.
Oh
that's
yeah,
on.
yeah. Once the specification is finished, and then we will making the pattern on our knitting system, and then we will package and set up to the
Machine.
machine.
That makes
then
sense.
We can make
From there.
fabrics. Yes.
Oh yeah.
After washing, the sample, every sample needs to be washed, and then we will do ironing to make it flat.
Every piece.
Yes.
every
Oh,
This is our showroom.
this is so sweet.
You can check every piece.
Aw, thank you so much. I really appreciate
So
this.
I will
This is very cool. No, you're
I may have you like this. You can close your leg.
yeah.
Oh, so elegant.
Thank you.
Happy Valentine's Day.
I think the back is perfect.
The back is perfect.
Yeah, the back is perfect.
The back
The back is perfect. The pattern, yeah.
Yeah, I
The
think.
pattern is great.
Yeah, this is.
And this is so special. This
Yes.
is string,
Yeah,
not the flat embroidery.
yeah. This I like the chain and the
Yeah.
look of it.
And
Very nice.
this body, do you want to have a more neat, tight fitting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tight waist, tight waist.
Yeah,
Yeah.
tiny waist, so it can kind of like cinch in a little bit
Your
more.
waist is so thin.
Thank you.
If we on our bargain, maybe we think it is too tight.
But no, and it just like.
How come you have great figure and
I-
you have thin sis and
Well, I don't know. I think, I don't know, but thank you so much. Thank you. I like.
unfair?
It's, you look great too.
Oh no, we have big belly.
No,
Yeah.
no worries. And then in the front, it's just.
Oh, wow.
I said
The front rice.
The front
Oh,
rice
like man.
is
Too
big.
big.
Yeah,
Like man.
but yeah. The back fine.
back rice is okay.
Yeah, the back is
Oh,
fine.
so the front rice is too big.
Yeah, the front right.
Fine.
Yeah.
Because we want to make it perfect.
Oh yeah, no, I agree. I want it perfect.
Yes, a little bit.
But I can take this with me, or you still need here.
No, depends on you.
No, it depends on you all. You all, do you need it?
Wait, no.
To make correction?
No need.
No need?
不用啊，他要带走就带走啊。
Yeah, you can take it away.
You can
If
take
you
away
want.
and we just the front rice
Yeah.
and improve the waist.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Her we can adjust
can
this
compare.
set directly.
Okay.
No
Okay,
need
okay.
to make one
Yeah.
more set.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if you say make one more set.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say that. And I think this looks really good.
Oh, you look so tall.
Yeah, in the mirror anyway. Yeah, that's the illusion of it all.
Slim and tall from the mirror. Please write down the correct.
I think spot on, yeah. See?
一英寸啊？对呀，你看。Oh.
Yes.
1 inch is too big.
0.88
Maybe 0.8
要剪那么多，一
inches.
下子太多又不
We
行。
don't want to make it too tight.
Yeah, I don't want it too tight.
So
It's just like enough.
She
where-
suggests 0.8 inches.
Yeah, that's fine. That's okay. Yeah, I really love this. It turned out really, really nice. I think the quality is
And your followers will love it.
fantastical. Yeah, I think that. I envision it. We wear it with tights.
Yeah.
The tights from the picture I sent, embroidered on tights.
You should wear jeans a lot.
Yeah, and I know that people wear, together, separate. So that they can wear this with jeans, they can wear this.
If you wear things, you don't know but when you wear the dress, you look so awesome.
Thank you. Oh, I can smell food.
Can you smell the taste?
I can smell the food. This is it? Oh, the time. Okay.
Let's go. Let's find this place.
Okay, the food has came. So excited. May said she was hungry. Sunny's hungry. Yeah. It's time for dinner.
Fork?
Hmm?
Oh, I can bring you fork.
Oh no, I don't need forks.
对对对，拿个叉子给他
No,
们。
no, no, I can use chopsticks.
Really?
Yeah, really.
I can add some soup for you.
Yeah, soup
And
yeah.
beef.
And the beef, yes.
And carrots.
Okay, first thing up. The noodle broth.
When we don't know the name, we have to say that. Ah, you can use chopsticks.
Yeah.
Can't believe you are the first time coming here and then you know chopsticks. How come you can? You learned before?
Well, just growing up and just take a liking to it.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
You're a genius.
Thank you. So my mom.
So,
Yeah, look. It's my
Chinese
and
noodles.
this is our food. You see?
这个我跟他先拌好了。
They say you know how to use chopsticks. That's impressive. Right. Noodles great. Now the green noodles. The green noodles came out now.
Green noodles.
Green noodles. Green noodles. Hold on a second. Green noodles come out. So inviting, so warm. I had an amazing time. So happy to be here with you, Matt, and with you, Sam. And we got good noodles. Yeah. So now my job is to not fall asleep in the car on the way home.
Yes. Oh, don't sleep. Because
I
you
know.
are in strangers.
I know. I won't. Don't worry. My
Please
mom
let us
called.
know your